Alright guys, so I just got finished walking through this 4-bedroom apartment and I can't wait to show it to you guys. I'm gonna give you a sneak preview before we actually put it up on the market, so come on, check it out. What's up, family? It's Kyle Zine here, Boston's broker, checking in with you guys. I'm actually getting ready to go meet with the landlord. I got a call yesterday from a mentor of mine. She told me that she had a referral. Somebody was looking to get a 4-bedroom apartment in Dorchester rented, and they called me. So I'm honored to help, of course, especially if somebody thinks of me as a referral. Funny enough, the person that referred me to this person actually used to own this property. So this is the person they sold the property to, and they're looking to get the apartment rented, and they called me, so I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm actually probably gonna be meeting the landlord in about an hour, so it gives me enough time to get all my paperwork printed out. I'm probably gonna ride up there a little early, start taking pictures of the area, maybe do a little video or something like that. I figured I'd bring you guys along the ride with me, so bear with me, all right? It's my first vlog style type video. You let me know in the comment section if you guys like this, if you want to see more videos like this. And while you're at it, can you like, comment, and subscribe? Please share the video. I appreciate it. You guys know it helps with the YouTube algorithms. Oh man, I can't speak. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. So this unit, like I said, is actually a referral. It's the best compliment that you can give me is the gift of a referral. So if you know somebody that's looking to buy or sell or lease, we're here to help. But you know, this is actually a good percentage of my business comes from referrals. So you know, I definitely appreciate everybody that thinks of me, whether they're thinking of buying or selling here in Boston, or if you're thinking of buying and selling anywhere in the world. I'm connected to some of the top real estate agents across the world. Definitely here to help. And thank you to all the agents that are outside of my network that reach out to me. I appreciate you all. Today's a pretty busy day. Yesterday was actually my brother's birthday, so I'm supposed to be taking him out to lunch today as well. I don't know if that's gonna make the vlog. I ain't really run it by him yet as far as this whole vlogging thing. Alright guys, so just finished getting all my paperwork and stuff together. Got it all printed out, got everything ready to go and get this video together. Remember I told you guys yesterday was my brother's birthday, so I did want to, oh damn, we got the cake sewed up, so I can't really show you the cake. But there's a cake here, you know, so do want to say happy birthday, bro. You know I love you, man. And yeah, let's get ready to go tour this property. I'm actually running a little bit late, spent more time doing research than I planned on, but we're gonna try and make this work. Let's see if I got time to go stop and grab something to eat, and then we got to get going. We got to get going because we got to get this unit rented, all right? So I'll catch you guys on the way out. Peace. Yeah, so I just pulled up. Oh, look. Actually, Mikey pulling up on me now. But yeah, just pulled up to the building, doing my first little exterior walk around. Just trying to check and see if I can notice anything about the building, notice anything about the area. There's no surprise, we are actually right here next to a firehouse. There's a firehouse right here at the top of the street. There's also a pizza shop. There's a school right around the corner, as well as there's a little shopping center. Those of you that are familiar with the Dorchester area, you're probably aware of the Grove Hall area. We're right here in the little side dead-end street, tucked away in the Grove Hall area. So be looking forward to this 4-bedroom apartment rental coming on the market. So we're about to go inside and check it out. Keep you guys posted, all right? All right, guys, so I just got finished walking through this 4-bedroom apartment and I can't wait to show it to you guys. I'm gonna give you a sneak preview before we actually put it up on the market, so come on, check it out. Four-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom unit that has been completely renovated. These bedrooms are huge. You got a half a bath right here behind me. You also have a room over here that you can make your living room or dining room. Now this kitchen here is amazing. They did a very great job with the conversion. Look at the nice range. You have 5 burners on the range, as well as you have a nice built-in overhead microwave. Like I said, they did not spare any expense when it comes to renovating this kitchen. As you can see, it is very well lit. So if you could follow me down the hallway here, this actually brings you to one of the bedrooms here, as well as the bathroom is right off of this hallway as well. Now, the bathroom of this unit is amazing. The landlord came in and did what they were supposed to when it comes to the finishings. As you can see, they have very nice tile, very nice fixtures when it comes to the bathroom. Here's one of the bedrooms here. This bedroom is one of the nicer sized bedrooms. Nice blue walls. Everything in here is very sleek, modern, and clean. As you can see, the floors, fan down to the floors, Mike. They just did these floors over. They almost look like glass. You could slide on these floors. They're so beautiful. Luckily, the unit does not still smell like polyurethane. If you know anything about polyurethane in floors, that smell does linger. And here we're actually pretty good. So this is definitely something to come check out. I want to show you guys the view. And not only do you get a 4-bedroom apartment, but you also get a nice private deck out here. This is something that you can come sit out here, drink your morning coffee. You can read a book. You can listen to the birds chirp. There's actually a firehouse right here, as well as a local pizza shop. There's a school right around the corner, as well as a lodge hall. It's called Prince Hall. So there's definitely plenty of things in the area, plenty of amenities that you might want to check out. And you can actually do my favorite thing, which I like to sit here and people watch. So that's probably what I'm gonna do as we finish this tour. I do want to thank you guys for stopping by and checking this apartment out with me. If you're looking for a 4-bedroom, or if you're looking for anything, if you want to buy something, if you want to sell something, if you want to rent something, or if you got a unit that you want to get rented out, give me a call. We can help you out. As always, I'm Kyle Zine, Boston's broker. This has been fun. I'll catch you guys later.